Hello, I'm Carol Alexander, and welcome to this financial risk management lecture course. The videos in this playlist cover the full structure of modern financial risk management across 8 core topics, from the foundations of market and credit risk through portfolio returns and distributions and volatility and value at risk. Then we focus on specific types of financial assets, so fixed income portfolios, international equity and currency portfolios, options, and finally looking at the fundamental review of the trading book in particular, but more generally capital reserves for all financial institutions. So each topic is presented in 6 focused different videos, and you can build your understanding by watching them from start to finish, really. You should begin with topic 1, which is the foundations introduction to financial risk management. Those have got 6 videos, and then move on to topic 2 and so forth. So I do a very deep dive approach, but it's highly practical as well, because throughout the series, I'll be demonstrating how I've been using interactive Excel spreadsheets to demonstrate the mechanics of risk modeling. Anything red is a parameter that you can change, anything blue is an output, and you can see all the formulae in the spreadsheet. So these cover virtually every topic. There'll be an Excel workbook with lots of different spreadsheets that are incorporated into the lectures. So, you know, how volatilities and correlations behave, how VaR models differ, how yield curves drive cash flows, how betas map to international portfolios, how to calculate those, and a lot more, obviously. And these are the tools that are used every day in banks, hedge funds, asset management firms, and regulatory bodies. So by following this course, you actually qualify yourself as an entry graduate level financial risk manager. I spent many years researching and teaching financial risk management, and I've also worked extensively in the industry for 40 years. In both, dual career in both academia and industry. Actually, it's more than 40 years. You can find out about my activities from the industry CV if you want to have a look at those, or I've got 2 CVs on my homepage. One is industry, one is academic. And my website is www.coalexander.com. There's also a resources section there with lectures that I've done in the past, things like essential and advanced quantitative finance, volatility modeling, lots of stuff on derivatives and asset pricing. And yeah, I mean, might even do my early lecture notes on group theory. One of these days, we'll see, dig those out. Anyway, so I've got all these years of academic experience and industry experience, and they've shaped everything that I do in this financial risk management course. So whether you're a seasoned academic or a student or a professional, I hope you find these videos useful. Thank you for joining me, and let's get started.